Alright, okay, so we're just going out. We're going out for a friendly walking in Hedgley Hill, which is in the UK, Surrey Hill, Slough. And so there are bluebells growing in there. I'm about to do a double messy bun. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is to divide my hair to the double messy bun. However, oh, great. However, I don't want to take all my hair, so I'm going to just take maybe this much of my hair probably, and then leave this. And in the end, I'm going to fix this with my hair straightener. But for now, just having this start here. After picking up the section, one of the sections, first section that I want to go for the messy one, I just tie it with these rubbers. So because I want to make sure that they're going to be quite equal, I'm going to do the same right after doing this one. So I'm going the same to the other side of my hair. Pick it. Need to make sure that how much hair left to the other side. So do the same to the other side as well. Just grab a little bit more. So this one you see is a little bit down. I'm going to fix it and put it up. Yes. Okay. Actually, I kind of like it like this, but we want to go for a messy bun today. This is so hot, that's why I'm doing this. Whew, okay, now, so we want to make it a little bit slightly puffy, and I'm going to do this. Make it a little bit puffy if I want to flip it around. Alright, here are my earrings. Now let's move on to the hair.